Andrew asked us, how does one actually use the little black loops that some kilts have at the top edge, seemingly for hanging?
Sure.
They are quite literally hanging loops. So
yeah.
But here's the thing.
Yes. What it's talking about is when you're wearing a kilt, some companies put in essentially on the side, on your left side and on your right side, on the inside of the kilt, two little tiny black, what look like shoelaces almost, stuck in between the lining and the actual cloth of the kilt. Those are put in there by the kilt makers for you to be able to hang up your kilt. Now, disclaimer, warning, danger, Will Robinson. You can hang your kilt from those loops. I wouldn't do it for an extended period of time. Now, how do you hang them from the loops? Okay, great question. Glad you asked. Fold the kilt in thirds, and I would say, put the strap through the hole on the left-hand side, and then maybe half buckle the top buckle on the right-hand side. So the kilt is essentially as you would be wearing it. You're going to have one black loop on the right and one black loop on the left. Most hangers, like shirt hanger, jacket hanger kind of things, have a little either notch in the shoulder of the hanger, or they have little hooks that hang down from the shoulder of the hanger. Those loops are meant to go over and either sit in the notch or sit on those hooks. Here's the warning. If you wear your kilt infrequently, once a year, twice a year, those hanging it from there will cause what's called pleat splay, where the pleats will kind of, they're when they're resting in the closet, they kind of go out like this. The kilt is meant to sit, flat. The pleats are meant to sit flat on your backside and straight down. And when they're just hanging from two single individual points on the sides, it kind of, the top of the kilt does this, and the bottom of the kilt just kind of spreads out like that. And in resting in that position for an extended period of time, not like 24 hours, 48 hours, that kind of thing, but for a year at a time, or 2 years at a time, it's going to kind of not screw up, but it's kind of make the pleats want to be like bleh, and just kind of rest weird. So when you put it on next, it's not going to look its best. It's not going to look crisp. It's going to kind of have a little bit of a stage curtain-y kind of waffly effect on the back. So I say if you're going to a public restroom and you got to sit down, we'll put it that way for men, and you want to take your kilt off and do it that way, those loops are great to hang your kilt on the back of the door. You hang your sporran up and hang your kilt up from those loops. That is fine. If you're going to hang it for an extended period of time, don't hang it from the loops. Get a proper kilt hanger, or fold it in thirds and then half again and lay it flat in a cedar drawer or something like that. That would be my suggestions.
What if you've been at a festival all day, marching around in the sun, getting super hot, super duper sweaty, your kilt is soaked with sweat, and the only option you have back at the motel is to hang it by those loops on a hanger in front of the air conditioner? Is that going to cause instant pleat splay, or would you get away with it? Would it be a good way to ventilate the kilt after a hot, sweaty day, or is that a bad idea?
I don't think I would do it, because if the kilt is wet and it's damp and you're trying to force it dry, it's going to dry in that position. So I probably wouldn't. I would just basically if you're going to do that, then I would maybe, if they have pants hangers in the hotel and you don't have your kilt hanger, you just have pants hangers, I may put 4 pants hangers across the entire top of the kilt and hang them on the top of the curtain rod or something like that, maybe. Or
even 2, I think you'd get away with it okay, but yeah.
Yeah, or I would just basically lay the kilt out all the way flat and drape it over the back of the chair and just kind of let it dry naturally. I wouldn't necessarily force air onto it. I would just let the air in the room kind of dry it off.
I feel like the loops are outmoded.
Yeah.
I don't know when they started putting them in, but I don't know if it was a military function or anything at some point. But it just doesn't seem that great to me.
I agree. And I would also say when I had them in my kilt, I'll cut them out. It's from an aspect of they always seem to pop out at the sides. Then you're left a little. If you're wearing a black shirt, it doesn't look as weird, but they're just popping out on the sides of your body, and it's just oh, what the hell with this thing?
Attach your carabiner with your keys to it,
But if you never use it, just cut them off. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yep.
Cheers. Hope that helps. Hey guys, if you're looking for a secure way to hang your kilt in the closet, I would be over the moon, chuffed to bits if you go check out the kilt hangers that we have on our website. You can see these at usakilts.com.